Hey everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Due to this corona pandemic situation, our children are doing their studies, their school from home with the help of various online platforms. And we are paying a very high and you can say a huge lump sum amount to the schools in return of the online education. As a parent, I am feeling because of this situation, we are paying so much amount to the school and we are not getting that facilities what we used to get before, because schools are still charging for their physical education, their transportation charge. Many schools are even charging the annual charges from the parents. Now what is the solution? According to National Home Education Research Institution in USA, 2 to 3 million students every year are doing homeschooling. They are not at all going school, they are doing their all school education from their home, and this number is increasing 2 to 8% every year. Now what is this homeschooling? See, in India, especially in the metropolitan cities, this system is coming and increasing day by day. Nowadays, because of the various consequences, because of the high fee structure of the school system, plus because of the unsafe environment, we parents are feeling there is no better option if we will get the same education for our children at home in front of our eyes. But how is it possible? Yes, homeschooling is the option. What you have to do, maybe as a single family you can set up a home school for your child at home, or maybe you can set up it in collaboration with 2-3 families where all the children of the same age group and the same grade level will study together. Now how is it possible? What you need to do, for example, my child is in grade 2, so what I need to do, I need to buy a certain set of curriculum books from any school. So I will take a membership from any school where I will get, or you can get these books from any bookstore in Delhi, or I know about Delhi, maybe in other cities also it is easily available. In Delhi, from Jia Sarai market, I can all these sets are also available. If it's not available in the market, you still can come in contact with any school and you can have a membership and buy their books. Now with that books, you need to check these are the subjects, so you need to divide the subjects and find out how many number of teachers are required. Maybe one teacher for science and math, one teacher for English, one teacher for social studies and Hindi. Because my child grade level is low, so I can take a teacher which can take 2-3 multiple subjects same time. Now if your child is in higher grades, you can choose the option of individual teacher for individual subject as per your choice. Now when the teachers are assigned, I can contact with the teacher and I can set up a routine. For example, my child is going to do the homeschooling from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Now at that time I need to distribute, I need to inform the teachers, and I will hire those teachers for that particular hour for my child. Those teachers will come at home and they will teach your child as like a tuition. Now what is the benefit? In that way you are end up paying less fees, because by hiring the individual teachers you are saving yourself from the transportation charges, from the annual charges, and there are many physical education and other charges which you end up paying, which your students are not even using in school. So with the help of homeschooling you are paying less, you will able to set up in less expense. Other than that, you can feel your child is safe at home from very consequences in terms of health, in terms of any other security or any other safety. You feel your child is there in front of you and you can monitor your child easily. Now what are the cons of the homeschool system? See, the cons are the child will not get a healthy competition environment, the child will not feel interacting socially with their peer group, and the child will not be open up with the strangers and with the new children like that. So to deal with all such situation, I suggested you can go for a 2-3 family collaboration homeschool. In that way, 2-3 families or 2-3 parents who have the children in the same grade and same age group level, they can just do it collaboratively at one home where, like for example, I have a better place in my home where I can devote one room completely for my child. So what I can do, I will ask 2-3 parents to send their children at this place who are living nearby and who can trust us as a parent that their children will be safe in my place. So in that way 2-3 children will be sitting together and they will get a healthy kind of environment and they will get that classroom feeling in that way. So this is the best option what I felt. Even for my child, I have opted, because last year anyhow I able to manage, and I had that hope in mind that the schools again going to be reopened. But this time again the same situation, the whole year students are going to study from home only, and it's very stressful for the eyes as well as for other reasons to sit in front of the screen. So it's better to keep your children in front of your home, and 1 or 2 teacher or maybe 3 teachers who we can trust. We can have their regular checkups, and they will visit your place, and you will able to manage the things as like the normal school. I hope you like the video. You tell me your view regarding the homeschooling system, and if your child is doing the homeschooling from your place, do mention in the comment box and let me know what you are thinking about it. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, whatsoever reason, give me a thumbs up and write down comment in the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.